Welcome to Fox Global Consulting for the live cast of the Frontier Dairy News of this first week of September. You are listening to Amit Saha. I am the founder of the Frontiers of Grassroots Sustainability Network. Our network is working with the food, health, and livelihood stakeholders for a sustainable future food system using frontier technologies. In this edition, we will again track the top 10 frontier technologies. In this week, the focus has been on technologies with a purpose to increase efficiencies, reduce cost, environmental sustainability, and for the broader needs. At the end from this week, we will also showcase 5 top dairy news of the week in pictures. Top 10 newsmaker is the Finnish manufacturer VALTRA's new Z series of tractors, aiming at livestock farmers and incorporating lots of digital extras. The Z series of tractors is the first tractor in its 100 to 145 horsepower range to offer smart touch controls as well as full precision farming capabilities. The rear linkage has a lift capacity of 5 tons while a 3-ton front linkage. Top 9 news of the week is the lowest cost production means producing the lowest cost per kg gain or the highest marginal value of output and not lowering the expenses per se. This was stated by Connolly, CEO of CALVES, at the Agritech Capital during the Farm Journey Field Days. Lowest cost of production implying higher marginal value will be the winning strategy in a disruptive market likely to be in the next 3 years. Whatever be the market rate, whether prices are high, whether prices are low, the farmer who is able to produce at the lowest cost of production always wins, stated CALVES. A holistic look at the profit and loss account will be able to show the gain areas and the most sustainable technologies in the long run for adoption. Top 8 of the week is smarter irrigation for profit, which is one of the Australian agriculture's major collaborative investments. It will be a game changer for many dairy farmers who rely on irrigation. Efficient water use is vital to sustain dairy farming in one of the most variable climates on earth. Smart irrigation can provide big efficiency benefits. The project aims to increase average irrigated dairy farmer profits by 20,000 to 40,000 Australian dollars annually by improving water and energy use efficiency, maximizing pasture growth, reducing labor intensity through automated and through improved utilization of data. The top 7 news is on the anaerobic digestion and biogas capture technologies for renewable natural gas. With subsequent upgrading to renewable natural gas can greatly improve on-farm economics, especially those with livestock such as cattle. The company RNG Renewable Natural Gas has become an increasingly important part of clean energy future of USA as a proven way to reduce its carbon footprint. Over the past 5 years, RNG supply has increased by 291%. RNG is playing a greater role in reducing energy costs, generating jobs, and reducing carbon footprint in USA. Coming to the top 6 news is the prevalence of buffalo rearing in Ireland. A farm in Ireland is selling 5-month-old calves owned by Johnny Lange of Macroom Buffalo Farm, at each at about €1,000. Buffalo meat is quite good for you. It's very low in cholesterol. It's well suited for meals and makes good burgers and steaks. We'll sell to all sorts of customers from households to restaurants to hotels, said Mr. Lange, the owner of the farm. Top 5 newsmaker is again a smart application. It's called SIMPAS, meaning Smart Integrated Multi-Product Prescription Application System. It's a precision farming application that starts with prescriptions developed by an agronomist, which are location specific for fields with known problems. SIMPAS automatically loads product information into a farm applied software system by reading the smart cartridge container's RFID smart tag. Based on the prescriptions loaded into the system applies only what is needed. This is one of the efficient ways of resource use. Coming to the top 4 newsmaker is again from India. a farm based in the eastern part of India, in the district Hooghly, called SRC Farms, which was founded in 2012, is setting an example in the Indian dairy industry commercial farm by taking special care of its cattle health, comfort, and nutrition for its animal welfare and environmentally friendly practices. SRC Farms houses over 400 cows and provides milk to 1500 households in Kolkata at a premium price. The top 3 news of the week is again from India. A special case of farming heifers. This farm, Amruta Feeder Dairy Farm in Karnataka, is a profitable heifer venture by its owner Santosh, a techie turned dairy entrepreneur, making full profits with no debts. He also organizes workshops in dairying. He plans to set a center of excellence where he plans to impart training and knowledge in dairy farming along with ethno-veterinary practices. Currently, he is looking for investors for setting up this center, which requires about 3 to 5 crores. The top 2 news of the week is a project, World Bank project NDP1 in India, launched by NDDB. This project has helped increase milk yield and push down cost for farmers. The ration balance programming works with the farmers to provide low-cost feed using the local resources and balanced nutrition for the animals, enabling it to increase yield and reduce costs. With the adoption of this program, the average ration cost has declined by rupees 41 per animal per day, said Dilip Rath, the managing director of NDDB. The chairman of NDDB. Finally, the top news of the week is the concept of remote monitoring of tractor and equipment called swarms from a tablet. This technology is being tested right now in select farms in North America and yet to come to field. Machinery giant Fendt, in collaboration with ACO, developed this farm technology Zever for planting corn. This farm has the ability to work all hours, addressing the challenges of labor shortage on farms. Robotic operational designs are tested for many dairy operations as well. So now we look at this new way of looking at news in pictures that we start from this week. Top 5 news in pictures is the company in America, Dairy Farmers of America, to reduce emissions. Dairy Farmers of America, a national dairy cooperative owned by family farmers, announced a continuous step forward in its commitment to sustainability as it becomes the first US dairy cooperative to set a science-based target to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. As a cooperative invested in the dairy supply chain from farm to table, DFA is taking a strong position by setting a science-based target and committing to reduce both direct and value chain greenhouse gas emissions by 30% by 2030 from a base year of 2018. By having their targets validated by the Science Based Targets Initiative (SBTI), DFA is supporting the Paris Agreement's broader goals to keep global warming below 2 degrees Celsius. Additionally, DFA's target is aligned with work of the Innovation Center for US Dairy and its goals for the US dairy industry to become carbon neutral or better by 2050. Top 4 picture news is donkey milk. India is soon to get dairy for donkey milk. 1 liter milk may sell up to rupees 7,000. The National Research Center on Equines is soon getting to start donkey milk dairy in Haryana's Hisar. The NRCE in Hisar is set to open dairy of milk given by the Halari breed of donkey. It is to be noted that donkey's milk is not only very beneficial for humans, but it can also help in boosting the immunity of our body in this particular times of COVID era. This breed of donkey is found in Gujarat and its milk is considered as a treasure of medicines. The donkey of Halari breed has the ability to fight against diseases like cancer, obesity, allergies, etc. Kids are not allergic to donkey's milk. A sure alternative to the present situation with the cow's milk. Top 3 picture news is Bothar Farm Quad. Bothar is the Irish international charity that provides the gift of livestock as a means of long-term development aid. Bothar enables families and communities to overcome hunger and poverty in a sustainable way specializing in improved livestock production and support related training in the community. The 2020 annual tractor draw will be the year of the quad, the Honda TRX 420FE to be precise. The draw will take place on Thursday, September 17th and will be streamed live on Facebook, and the winner will be notified. The funds raised will be used to donate cows in Africa. The Honda quad is just for getting up and down the fields. They are a lot easier. It takes all the work out of the hills. If you are going looking at a stock or crossing your farm for whatever journey, it makes it much quicker. Even getting on and off or opening gates is much quicker than the tractor. So I hope this particular machine will be of great interest to farmers. The top two pictured news is the company A2 Milk, which is making huge profits. The A2 Milk Company entered into an agreement with Agri-Foods Cooperative of Canada. Tim Hofstra is the chair of Agri-Foods Cooperative, is seen in the picture. The A2 Milk Company has published its annual financial report for the year ending June 30, 2020, where they show the total revenues of New Zealand dollar 1.73 billion, an increase of 32.8% over previous year, as well as 32.9% EBITDA increase. Net profit after tax were up 34.1% on the previous year. The company said the COVID-19 pandemic had a modest positive impact on revenue and earnings for the year. So finally, the top picture news of the week is the top 20 global dairies, which is published by the Rabobank. Here in this top 20, we find Amul, which made its silent entry. Amul, the Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation, with 3.6 million farmers, has become the only Indian dairy brand to make into the global top 20 list of Rabobank. The list released by the Dutch multinational banking and financial services company has placed Amul in the 16th position with an annual turnover of $5.5 billion. That is approximately 38,500 rupee crores. While Nestle and Lactalis retain the top spots, DFA, the top American dairy, and many Chinese dairy have elevated in the ranking. So finally signing off, this is Amit Saha. I hope this week news was very helpful to you, the knowledge that we provide every week. For regular updates of the Fox Network, please subscribe to our live channel in YouTube and our website in the link given. Thank you and wish you a very safe, productive and inspiring week ahead. Looking forward to the next edition next week.